Hi everyone, today we're in the Beck Family Education Center and we're going to learn how to make a little Pout Pout fish. So I am using Model Magic today. You may not have Model Magic at home. That is okay. I bet you have a can of Play-Doh, or you can go online and there's a bunch of recipes to make your own clay Play-Doh that you can find. So to make our Pout Pout fish, what we're going to do is we're going to take that piece of Model Magic and we're going to tear it into two pieces about the same size. All right, put one piece down, and with this piece we're going to take and we're going to get our hands out and roll it in a ball. All right, you want to get your hands out and make a rolling motion, excellent, and just roll that into a ball. All right, now after you've rolled that into a ball, you're going to get your thumb out and we're just going to plop that down like that. Cool? All right, now we have a hole, and we're going to open that hole up a little bit more with our fingers. And right now it looks like a little bowl, but we're going to put it on its side, and that's going to become the mouth and body of our little Pout Pout fish. Okay? I'm going to set that down right here. So with this piece, we need to make the eyes. We have 2 eyes and 3 fins. So you're going to tear this off into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right? So to make an eye, once again, we're going to roll that piece of Model Magic and we're going to stick it on like that. And then we're going to take another piece and we're going to roll it and stick it on like that. Okay? Take a pencil, a pen, whatever you have, and you can go ahead and poke open our Pout Pout fish's eyes like that. All right? And then we need to make a fin. So to make a fin, instead of rolling it into a ball, well, we're going to roll it into a ball, but we're going to roll it in a ball, and then we are going to flatten it with the palms of our hands. Like that. And we can put a fin on that side, and we can roll and flatten and put a piece on that side, and then we can roll, flatten, and put a little fin in the back, and there you have a little Pout Pout fish.